Welcome to this lesson on the art and science of design. Art is the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination aimed to communicate a concept, a feeling, or an idea. This is typically in a visual form such as painting or sculpture, producing works to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or their emotional power. When we talk about art, we imagine this painting or this painting. Because art is about communicating a concept, a feeling, or an idea. Graphic design is an art, and graphic designers, therefore, are artists. But design is also a science. Science is knowledge that is based on facts learned through experiments and observation. In the next module about composition and layout, you are going to learn the rules and skills that will make you become a graphic designer no matter what type of design that you decide to get into later on. Now, I can imagine how excited you may feel right now. You're probably so impatiently waiting for me to show you how to design a poster or how to use a program to execute designs. But no, I'm not going to teach you any of that right now. In fact, I am going to ask you to not even touch the design programs. If you want to become a successful designer, it will start with fundamentals. And even if you already know some aspects of design, you should still do each step one at a time. Don't worry, you're going to get into the computer in this course, but just not yet. Whether you love or hate Picasso's style, he first learned how to draw and then he mastered it. He then learned how to paint and he mastered that. And not only until after he could paint beautifully, knowing the science of painting, did he start experimenting with his own style, which we now know so well as Picasso. Disney's animators didn't start by just drawing cartoon characters. They went to school to learn to draw the human form, and they did it over and over until they became experts at drawing that human form. And even animals, like you can see here, like dogs. Looks like this one was for 101 Dalmatians. And then deer for Bambi. Because drawing from real life is basics for drawing anything from cartoons. Then they went on to develop the characters that we all know and love. One step at a time. Cooks don't start their journey learning how to make Italian or Mexican dishes. They first learn the basics of cooking, using spices, cooking temperature, what pans to use, etc. Before Michael Jordan became the most influential basket player, creating his own styles, he first learned the basic fundamentals of basketball itself. Becoming an accomplished designer takes one step at a time. It is a combination of theory and a series of different skills that you have to master. Through my years of interacting with other designers, I can absolutely tell when someone is missing some fundamentals. And guess what? Clients can tell too. Maybe they're not going to express what fundamentals were violated, but they can certainly tell something's not good or some design just looks amateurish. And this module is what will make you into a graphic designer. The time you spend on every lesson in this module is the gold mine that will set your foundations very well. Even if you already have some experience, you should still go through every single lesson and do those lessons. You see, a designer is not any different than a professional basketball player. They practice every week, even when their skill level is super high. I find myself consistently referring to basics and practicing, especially when I feel I'm getting stagnant in my design skills. So the only thing that's going to stop your forward progress in learning and improving your skills is to think that you already know everything there is to know already. Your future success is as important to me as it is to you. Your next step is to go on to the lesson about composition and layout. I'll see you there.